Have you ever wondered why so many countries around the world celebrate May 1st as a holiday? The answer lies in a fascinating history that dates back to the late 19th century and the struggles of the labor movement. Let's dive in and explore the story behind International Workers' Day. The origins of May 1st are rooted in the labor rights movement that emerged in Europe and North America at the end of the 19th century. The labor movement fought for better working conditions, higher wages, and shorter work hours. Most people at that time had to work 12 to 16 hours a day, 6 days a week. In the United States, a nationwide strike for the 8-hour workday began on May 1, 1886. Thousands of workers took to the streets and demanded that the daily work hours be limited to 8 hours. May 1st was chosen as the start of the strike because most work contracts expired on that date, forcing employers to negotiate new contracts. The strikes lasted several weeks, and on May 4th, a rally in Chicago turned violent, with clashes between workers and the police. The so-called Haymarket Riot resulted in several deaths and injuries. The exact circumstances and who was responsible for the escalation are still disputed to this day. However, the events in Chicago marked a turning point in the history of the labor movement. They led to the establishment of May 1st as International Workers' Day. May 1st was first celebrated in Europe in 1890 and quickly spread to other countries. Today, May 1st is celebrated as a holiday in many countries to commemorate the achievements of the labor movement. These include the introduction of the 8-hour workday, maternity leave, paid vacation, and many other social achievements that are now taken for granted. May 1st is also a day to show solidarity with workers and unions around the world. In some countries, there are also traditional spring festivals that coincide with May 1st Street. These festivals often have a long tradition and are an opportunity to celebrate the end of winter and the beginning of spring. In conclusion, we can say that May 1st is an important holiday that reminds us of the struggles and achievements of the labor movement. It is also a day to show solidarity with workers and unions around the world. We should remember that many of the things we take for granted today were hard-fought. Are you celebrating this historical day?